my channel. Hope it isn't good, but better watching this video. Today we'll be making an origami butterfly. If you've seen in my past videos, I've made an origami dinosaur, and today we're going to be making an origami butterfly. And without further ado, let's get started. And before you get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first, for making this origami butterfly, you don't need any glue, any scissors, nothing. Just a plain piece of paper and a ruler if necessary. So first, we're going to be taking an A4 sheet of paper. You're going to fold it in half. Next, if you open it up, you'll have two sections, right? You're going to take one of the section, fold it right near the line. After folding, you're going to cut the excess. First of all, you should cut only this part, because this part you can make more butterflies or anything else with that paper. So first, you're going to be cutting this part off. This part, just like this. There you go. Now for this part, when we fold it in half, you're going to get this excess part. So you're going to be cutting this off. Just like that. Now, we won't be using the ruler anymore. So now what you're going to do is, after cutting the paper, just like how I showed, I'm going to open it up. First, you're going to be taking the piece of paper. It's going to be square shape and it's going to be really tiny. You're going to be taking it, folding it in half. So guys, after you will get this kind of square sheet of paper, it's going to be at the size of your palm. And next, you're going to be taking it, folding it in half, just like this. Next, you're going to be opening it up, and right here is the line, right? You're going to make another line just like this. And fold it. So after folding it inwards just like this, you're going to get this type of formation. Now you're going to be flipping it and folding it diagonally. One is this way, just like this, and one is the other way, just like this. So after that, you're going to be taking the paper. So here it's going to be folded inwards. Here it's going to be folded outwards because it's diagonal. Now you're going to be taking this and folding it just like this. So after, if you fold it, you're going to get triangles just like this. See? You got a big, big triangle. Now what you're going to do with this paper is you're going to be taking this, folding it like this. So guys, once again, if you fold these two and you're going to get a triangle shape just like this. So after you get the triangle, you're going to be flipping it, taking this part and do it like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, it should be a little bit crossy. Just like this. Now do the same thing with the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, remember that. So guys, after that's done, you're going to flip it back towards yourself, and now it kind of looks like a butterfly, right? Well, it's not done yet. So what you're going to do is take this part, this thingy under the butterfly, you're going to flip it, take it slowly, don't fold it. So what you're going to do is take it just like this, and you're going to be taking it slowly so that it becomes 3D kind of. Now, you're going to be taking this part and folding it in. And now, you're going to be folding this a little bit towards yourself, just like this, holding it for a while. Well, this also kind of looks like a butterfly, but this is not a butterfly yet. Now, you're going to be releasing it, and ta-da! Our butterfly is done. Just like that. So guys, if you want, you can also add a little bit of color to it. It's better if you use colored paper, but I'm going to be shading it just so that it gets that look. So you're not going to be filling it totally, or else the paper is going to rip. So you're just going to do small shaggy lines. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it, and also don't forget to try this out and tell me how it goes. Also, it'll be way colorful and way prettier if you do it with colored paper. I use sketches instead of colored paper. So also don't forget to remind me if you do it, and don't forget to like this video. If you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.